Here is how you can embed text on Discord using these different commands. If you put two double asterisk in front and behind your text, it will become bolded. Putting one double asterisk in front and behind the text will turn it into italic. The same goes for using one underscore in front and behind. If you put two underscores in front and behind of the text becomes underlined. If you use two wavy lines, the text will have a strike through it. If you use a hashtag followed by space, then your text will be a large heading. You can use two hashtags with a space to get a second heading. Lastly, you can use three hashtags with a space to get a smaller third heading.